It's like that Rocky theme song just comes on and I'm just ready to murder the market, bro. I'm just ready for it. It's like it's dun 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 dun. Listen, quick little announcement. All right, so I've started a fitness community, okay, because fitness is key. All right, we're going to trade today. I'm going to absolutely crush it. But if anybody wants to join my fitness community for free, this is free. It's a free program, free community, okay? Get a hold of me. I'm going to put it in the link. You could join. You could come be a part of it. With that being said, let's get this money. Because, bro, honestly, that's what it's like. That's what it's all about, right? Like, in my opinion, everything in life is all up here, bro, right? And especially with trading, right? Like, trading is all mindset. Life, everything about it, it's all mindset. You got to be in the right mindset. So let's crush these markets, and then we'll talk a little bit more about it. All right, so today was President's Day. First thing I'm going to do is just plot my levels, okay? We're going to plot our levels. We got EOD. We got PDH. Previous day high. Right here. Boom. Chest day, bro. Yo, Todd, listen. I'm going to send you the link. You might already be on it. But for the HPT Trader Fit, I got some sick workouts in there, bro. Sick workouts. I know my boy Todd's putting up weight on the bar. Listen. Someone's got to do it, bro. Somebody's got to do it. Someone's got to do it. All right, so we got PDH, PDL. Let me drop this in the chat, just so everybody knows that we're live. Let's drop this in the chat. Let's drop it in the chat. Let's drop it in the chat. Bang. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My boy is long on NQ. What you seeing, doggy? What you seeing, doggy? Let's see. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Look at this bill. Look at this on ES, bruh. This looks pretty. This looks very pretty, bro. Listen. MNQ. We're gonna go at flow state. There ain't no telling what can happen. Ain't no telling what. Oh my lord. Of course my boy Todd is in this. Of course. Look at that. 1 minute 20. Oh my lord. That's free money. That's just free money right there. That's free change, brother. Look at that play. What a stud. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful right there. 1 minute 20. So for anybody new, this is our HPT PM session, Asian session, whatever you want to call it. And this is a spot for us just to kind of, execute our edge. I mean, I like to trade silver, NQ. I mean, I'll trade anything, honestly. But the first thing I want to do is just map out all my levels. Okay, so let me just do that real quick. Okay, I'm going to take this guy because I'm pretty sure we're right next to previous day high, right? Yeah, that's previous day high right there. So I'm going to double click that, and I'm going to go PDH. Okay, we're going to make her blue. My pit numbers is always blue. Got to keep them blue. What the heck? Yeah, that's right off previous day high, Todd. I don't blame you for taking that whatsoever. I don't blame you for taking that whatsoever. Then we gonna do this. How far does this friggin' trend line go, bro? Unbelievable. It's the worst. Does anyone else have that issue? All right, let's drop to the 5 minuetto. 5 minuetto. We're gonna drop this right about, where do we end at? 12:55, something like that. We ended at 1. So that's EOD. All right, cool. So we got ourselves a nice little trend. Let's take a look at silver. Silver has kind of died. Oh my lord, that is chop, doggy. That's chop suey. That's chop. That's a choppy silver market. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Yeah. Gold's a little choppy too, but let me whip out TOS. Let's see what we got here. Brandon, what up, stud? What up, dog? You know, I'm just hopping on. I had a really good day today. Got a lot done. I'm building this fitness community, and you guys are gonna love it, man. You guys are gonna love it. It's I mean, for everybody that knows me, y'all know how important fitness is, and not just fitness, but personal development. So I created us a really good community. I'm gonna drop the link here. Let's see actually here if I can just do it. Let's see if I can just do it. So it's over here, HPT Fit. It's completely free. So for the time being, how do I do this? Invite. Give me the link, doggy. Copy. I'm gonna pop this right in here. This is to the fitness community. I'm gonna pin it. Pin. And then I'm gonna go fitness community. So this is for anybody right now. We'll go like that, and then I'm gonna pin that. Oh, I can't pin both. So I'm gonna do this. Hold on. So I'm gonna go like this. Ready? Free fitness community. This is, guys, this is like trading, don't get me wrong, is obviously like key. But in my opinion, we got to level up in our mindset. So we're going to be having like weekly sessions where we talk and stuff like that. So check that out, because it's all about building an unbreakable mindset. And, the only way to do that is through building the best you, right? We got to become the absolute best versions of ourselves for our family and for trading, right? Like, in my opinion, the only way that anybody can become a good trader is when they build a strong mindset. So check that out, man. We're going to be changing lives this year. It was one of my goals, and I finally completed it. So check that out. It's a really good resource. So it looks like right here on gold, we're right at EOD. So I want to watch that. I'm also going to watch PDL. That's a good downside target. Health equals wealth. That's a fact, bro. That is a fact. Okay, gold, a little choppy. I think I'm going to go back to NASDAQ. I kind of like how we're coming into PDH right here on ES too. So let's watch this on ES and on Nazi. We don't need to trade crazy size, okay? We don't need to make $1,000 trades right now. We just got to execute the process. So there's a couple things I'm looking at here. Let me just get situated. If I can do it before the move happens. What's happening at that? Okay, so we're pretty far away from the 20 EMA, right? We're pretty deep. Let me check out that 1 minute. I'm just interested. I'm very interested as we come back into the 20 EMA. I don't like how that 20 is becoming a little flat, but I am watching ES. Let's see what that 1 hour time frame looks like. And let's see if we could identify some opportunity here. One minute 20. 1 minute 20. ES is at the 2 minute 20. Now, guys, okay, hear me out. This is key. So anytime I'm watching a moving average retest, the first question I like to ask is, have we touched that moving average recently? Are we in an AOV? Okay, that's another very good question. And we have an AOV down here, a little bit below. Where's our closest AOV on NQ? Ooh, we in it, baby. We in it. So I'll tell you what, it's a little dicey here because how far away we are from the 1 hour trend. But if I can get proper criteria, what is the NQ playing with the 1 minute? Yeah, that's a dicey play. I'm gonna hold off on that. Another thing too, guys, is in next weekly webinar for the HBT members, I got some swing plays I want to talk to you guys about. I think it's time for us to start opening up that channel as well. Right, we got to start talking about swings. All right, watch this on ES. I'm watching ES. Possible. Everything's possible, but I'm watching a possible long play as we come back into the AOV. All right, so this right here is called the area of value. Okay, so it's key. I just want to watch to see what happens here. I like that we're at previous day high too. That's key. That's very important for me. That's very important. It's important. Staying loose, baby. We loose. We ready just to execute, man. I really don't care. Just trying to stay completely, just detached, just focused. And it's the more you stress about things, the worse you do. So just stay patient. Wait for the market to give you the right opportunity. Pull the trigger. That's it, baby. That's it. Watch ES. Ooh, getting some strong selling. Getting a little bit of strong selling here as we approach the area. See the tag? Let's see the battle here. Watch the battle. Watch it. Watch the battle. Watch the battle. We coming right into the AOB. Look at the buyers. Look at the buyers, baby. Look at them. Look at them. What's my 5 minute? Does my 5 minute make sense? We're kind of far away from that 20, but you know what? We're just staying patient here. And that's another thing that trading's all about. It's just staying patient. I really like that red bar that was ignored right here. And I love that we're coming down for a retest in it. What do I not like? I don't like how far away we are from the 1 hour. Oh, okay. 1 hour trend is sucking up. Sucking up a little bit, love. Ooh, little fake out on NQ. Out of the AOV, I guarantee you it's off the 2 minute 20. No? All right, stay patient. Stay patient, guys. This is why you gotta stay patient. Don't let the market overtake you through emotion. Gotta stay patient, man. Stay patient. Stay humble. Ain't nothing crazy. Just staying, low key. Let's get where we at here? Where we at? Interesting. All right, let's see. Yes. Okay, I'm watching this. I'm watching it. I think something nice is cooking up. Had a great Valentine's Day, man. Great Valentine's. And you know what's crazy? Like as I grow as an individual, I'm realizing that the things that I used to think mattered just don't matter. And I gotta, for those of you guys that really know me, I'm getting married in August, and I was able to just have a great day with my wife. And I cooked a phenomenal steak, man. See, listen, guys, like in my old life, my previous life, your boy was a chef. Okay. I used to be over 300 pounds. You got to know how to cook when you're over 300 pounds. You know what I'm saying? I cooked such a good steak, bro. Oh my God. I swear. It was so good. I couldn't get that quality anywhere else. And for all y'all that know me, every Friday I always cook a steak for my family, right? If family's everything, man. Family's everything. You got to go get yourself a family. And I tell you what, if it wasn't for my family, there's no way I'd be where I'm at. Like, mentally, no way. Like, and with trading can be such a lonely, I don't want to say lonely, but like, it could be like, it could be very discouraging. So like, just having that foundation. Ooh, look at these sellers though. Look at these sellers. All right. So let's talk about this. So what is this, guys? What is that? That's an RBI. And what happened? Sellers just pushed through it. Okay. We're very far away from the 1 hour trend. Remember, guys, this is Asian session, right? Like, there's really not a lot of volume. Oh my Lord, Todd Brody, Bro. Look at that off the 2 minute. Look at that off the 2, baby. All right, ES is coming right into AROV, and it's retesting previous day high. I want to see, oh my Lord, I want to see ready? I want to see buyers take back the candle. I'm feeling a long coming up here on ES. NQ probably too, but right, Todd? She ain't there yet. But we are most definitely getting somewhere here. Most definitely. All right, so I got this guy here. I like this pop. NQ is it might be surfing. She might be surfing. But ES ain't there yet, so we're still staying a little patient. We're staying a little patient here. Staying a little patient. I really like what this 5 minute looks like here. I'm starting to like it. MNQ taking off, ES taking off. I think it's going to chop around a little bit, then take off. So stay patient. We're on ES. There's no moving average being respected. So you got to chill. You got to stay patient here. Gotta stay patient. At MNQ, not the worst move. Maybe we'll get a pullback. If we can get a pullback on NQ, let me just see here, though. Let me look at the overall story. Do I want to long this? A pop-up to the 1 hour 50 actually makes a little bit of sense. And a pop-up to here makes a little sense. You guys see where I'm getting at? That 1 hour GBI? All right, now let's see what these sellers can do. And while that's happening, let's take a look at silver. I haven't broken up with silver. I still love silver. Silver gets me out of a lot of jams. Like, when I'm losing money, I just like trading ES or NQ. I'll just go trade silver. Oh my Lord, baby! What? Oh, let's go. All right. So let's just see. Oh, okay. See, that's why we stay patient. Baby. That's why we don't chase. If I'm far away from that 5 minute 20, I ain't chasing. Nada. Watch SPY. Oh my God. Guys, watch ES. 5 minute 20. Retest. If this holds, I will participate. I'm put silver up here instead of NQ. Oh, she ain't holding. She's sinking, bro. That's over with. She gone, baby. She gone, baby. She is gone with the wind. Tuesday gone with the wind. My baby's gone with the wind. Tuesday's gone with the wind. ALV snap. AOV snap. Guys, look what the 1 hour looks like. That looks bearish. That looks bearish, baby. Look at that. Look at that. ES is looking a little weak. She's looking a little weak, babe. Oh, my Lord. Oh. All right. But I'm staying patient. I'm not going crazy here. We're just staying patient, man. We are mentally resilient. We know what to look for. We know what the edge looks like. Therefore, we don't trade anything else. We just stay patient, man. Calm. Resilient. Gotta be resilient if you're a trader. Because this game will break you. She'll break you if you ain't resilient. What's gold telling me? Gold? Oh, yeah, baby. Still haven't really seen anything that appetizing. Any trend line? Oh, yeah, look. There's always some sort of trend line that breaks. Yeah, it's looking a little choppy, guys. Well, and we know that, right? Until 8 o'clock, it's usually pretty choppy. But yeah, I'm gonna end up building a fitness mindset community that's gonna be huge. It's gonna be huge, and so is HPT. And just to be clear, I'm not taking my focus off HPT. Right, like the trading like that's key, and we're building this community up to 1,000 members. Like that mark my words, HPT will have 1,000. Oh my God, Todd, are you seeing this on ES, bro? What? Look at that bounce right there off previous open print. Look at that. This is why if you ain't aware of pint numbers, you're always gonna be behind the curve. What's that look like on the 2 minute? Oh, baby, Todd, low, my Lord. Coming up to the 2-minute 20. This is make or break right here. This is make or break right here on ES. The 1 hour's telling me she's going up. The 1 hour's telling me she's going up. What's gold doing? I mean, bro, they're not even giving me an entry on the 2 minute. You know it's aggressive when you can't even get an entry on the 2 minute, bro. I want to see buyers break this 20. If not, this is a short play on ES. I'm still not. I'm not. Where are we at with it? Oh nah, yeah, we're chilling. If this holds the 5-minute 20, baby, she gonna cook. She about to go cooking. Oh, and she holds. Buyers with the win. All right, but this is touchy because we did not break that 2-minute 20. We didn't break the 2-minute 20. 2-minute 20 did not break, but that doesn't mean that it's not about to. I think gold and silver are just pulling the market down too. So it's about $5. Look at this on gold and silver. Look at gold, bro. Look at gold. Nothing. This thing's just ripping, bro. This is when you hop in low size and just, oh my Lord, look at SPY. Look at SPY, baby. Look at SPY. All right, so how do I want to play this, y'all? How do I want to play it? I tell you what. I tell you what. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stay a little patient because mama always told me don't go long when you can't hold PDH. Okay? Mama always told me you don't go long if you can't hold PDH. That is that an RBI? Nah. Gold or silver? Who's gonna tell me? Who am I trading with? Gold or silver? Oh my God, it's about to be silver. It's about to be silver. All right, I'm watching silver for possible short play. We're very far away from the 20. Yeah, if we can close above PDH, Todd, yeah, the probability of a continuation will definitely increase. PDH is very important here. And what I don't like is we can't close above that 20. We tried twice and could not get above that 20. That's dicey. That's dicey. That's dicey right there. I feel like sellers are trying something there. Silver. You see here with silver, silver and gold. Let's see. I'm looking for weak selling here. Weak selling on. I really want to pull back. There it is. Ready? Watch this. Watch this. I'm cutting this in half. Okay. Where's the 50? Watch that 50. Watch the 50% retracement here on ES. Potential long play. I want to see a pullback into it. That way I can enter with very low risk, playing the 5-minute AOV 20 EMA retest. That's what I really want to play. Because I like this long. I already like it long. Just the simple fact that we have an RBI, a retest of the 20. What I don't like is the fact that we can't hold PDH. So I'm cutting this candle in half. What's NQ doing though? What's NQ doing? Something similar? Bounce off the 50? NQ's like a little, oh my lord, right off the, yeah, it's right off the 20. Yeah, this is just really, this is chill mode though. I feel like I'm chilling a little bit. I really don't want to just chase everything. Silver selling off, strong sell off. Yeah, SPY's giving me that bull flag feeling a little. I just don't like us below PDH, man. That's not good. That's just not good. Anytime you break above a pit number and can't hold, that usually means big reversal. Big reversal, right? Because there's a lot of liquidity up here. And when it can't hold, that usually means she's gonna start sinking. All right, watch the retracement. The retracement's gonna tell us. If I can come to ooh doggy. Ooh doggy. Ooh doggy. Ooh doggy. I did get an RBI on the 5-minute, by the way. We did. At least it shows it on my Top Step account. We did get an RBI there on the 5-minute. I really like us holding that 20 EMA too. I like us retesting right there. I like the 1 hour trend. I'm in it.
Order filled.
I'm in it long. I'm in long, super low size here. Like, dang, that's really low size. I didn't know it was that low. And I'm going to drop my stop. I'm risking 100 on this trade. We are in long. Let's give it a shot. I'm going to give it a shot. I didn't get the entry that I really wanted, but we're going to wet the beak here a little bit. See what we get. We're going to risk 75 on this. Yeah, it's not a good entry. As a bite, I mean, it is what it is, though. Let's see what we get. See what we get here. See if we can get the beak wet a little bit. Let's see if it can go. I like us holding the 2-minute 20 right there. I'm gonna put my stop at that 50% retracement. Where's the fib on this dang thing? Where's the fib, bro? Where's the fib? Fib. Yeah, so it's right below the 50. We're gonna leave it right there. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. How much would it cost the whole thing? $1.80. That ain't bad. That's why I entered in low size. We're playing in the highs right here. So it's it can go either way. It can go either way. I think I'm gonna tighten. Let's see. What do I want to do? We'll leave it right there. I'm gonna put it below the area of value. Red bar ignored. If that can't hold, then I don't want to stay in it. We'll risk 137 on this. Let's see what we get. What's our upside target? Let's see. Yeah, that 1 hour's not looking. You know what? She's gonna break through. She's gonna break through. She's gonna break through and rally up. That's my upside target right there at 6873. 6873. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Can she hold? Can she hold? Can she hold? Now, the reason why I don't like this trade is I'm playing off the 5-minute 20, but look how far away I am from the candle that respected the 5-minute 20. Super far. I waited for perfection on this trade. That's why my entry wasn't good. That's why I potentially could get stomped out here. I want to give it a little, but not too much. Yeah, that's a bad trade. I got in a worse spot. Let's see if it can hold. Suck up! Suck up! Suck up! Suck up, bro! See? Can you do it, love? Can you do it, love? Can you hold? Can ya? Can ya? Ooh. Who doggy? Who doggy? Who doggy? All right, so we're playing out of this AOV that respected the 20. I like that candle held the AOV. That actually gives me a little bit more confidence in this trade. A little bit more. I just don't really like my entry on it, but it is what it is. We're going to play it out. Let's play it out. We need a push here. We need a push, love. Ooh. What else do we got here? What else do we got? We got ourselves a trend. It's trying here at that AOV. You guys see it? It's trying. See how it comes into the AOV and starts to bounce? Come to the AOV, bounce. Come to the AOV. Bounce. All right, I'm going to also look while that's doing its thing because my stops are in. If I get clipped, I get clipped. Oh, it's bouncing right off open print too. I'm watching silver. as well. Silver's definitely got some opportunity here. ALV is trying to hold. ALV is trying to hold. We need that to hold. I think she's gonna. I think she's gonna. I think she's gonna try. So let's see. Yep, there she goes. Let's see if she can hold. Silver, super bearish. Look at that push. Look at that push. All right, we need the ALV to hold, and she is trying. You guys see how I use that ALV to, like, no, my entry wasn't good, but I want to use the ALV to kind of guide me, right? Like, just because you know, if your entries not good, that doesn't, like, you're not always going to get a great entry. I wish that was the case. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But you're not always going to get a good entry. So you gotta be able to still gauge where the money is, right? You got to be able to go, hey, this is where the AOV is. I'm going to hold until that breaks. It didn't break. Look, now we're making money. I just trust the principles, right? Like, don't trust yourself, trust the principle. don't trust the entry, trust the principle. Right? Don't trust your perfect entry, trust the principle. Look at this push. Let's go. Let's go, love. Look at that, love. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. Anyone in it? If anyone's in it, give me a W. W. We got a George W. We got a George W. We're playing with some levels though, so I'm not gonna get cocky yet. But that's the RBI, dude. Look at the RBI. What a play. What a play, bro. Todd, Todd, listen. Men lie, women lie. Areas of value do not. All right, so let's look to add in. Because I'm trading super low size. Let's see if we can add in. Let's see if we can add in. All right. Show me them sellers starting to stomp out. Show me. Show me. Oh, watch silver. Watch silver right now. I honestly should be trading silver. I might. If I could get a solid play here off the 2-minute 20, I'll hop in it. I'm watching silver. Let's see. Potential add in here off the 1-minute 20. Actually, disregard that. This is chop. Okay, watching silver. I am watching silver. Okay, I got my stop in here. We're gonna go over to silver. Let's go into silver. Let's go into silver. I don't know. I'm a degenerate. I'm a degenerate. All right, watching 2 minute 20. I'm watching ES too for potential add-in. Honestly, I think ES still has legs. I think it's choppy, but I think it's got legs. Maybe. It's just a touchy level there at PDH. Silver and gold. So let's just clarify. GBI. Check. Oh, look at ES though. I'm watching ES on my chart on my other screen. I think we're getting 2 minute. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Add in if I could get my ass over there. Excuse the lingo. So we're gonna buy.
Order filled.
It's a little dicey. It's a little dicey. Definitely could have waited a little bit. But I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. It's dicey, but I'm putting a lot of trust into the RBI coming out of the ALV right here. I'm putting a good amount of trust here. Definitely should have waited. I should have maybe waited a little bit on the add-in. But I just really like seeing that 2 minute 20 hold. So I'm just going to, you know what, Todd? I'm just going to button up my stop. I'm just going to button up my stop there. Button up the stop. How do I want to play it? How do I want to play it? Man, it's just, it's one of the reasons why I try to stay away from ES and NQ at this time. It's because their volume's just retard low. So let's see. Ooh. Y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Come on, baby. Come on, buyers. Look at that 2 minute 20, baby. Look at her. What we doing? Off the AOV? Y'all got to hold. You got to hold. Sellers are trying. They're trying. I'm going to put that right there. They're trying, but when the volume is low, price doesn't move the way it usually does. When does 8 o'clock come around? Guys, I have to pull meat out of my fridge. Okay, I have to pull the meat out of my fridge. So technically I gotta leave that right there. Oh, let's go, baby. I'll be right back. Look at my buyers. Yo, watch silver.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in short on silver too. We're taking silver shorts and yes, longs. I wish I could do 2 screens on Top Step here, but yeah, I'd take that short on silver. Yep, we in that. Look at that push. Yo, look at that push. Come on, baby. Who's in silver with me? Who's in silver with me right now? Who's in silver? Yo, give me the W's. Who's in silver? EOD. That's a fact, Brandon. That's EOD from a couple days ago, too. Let's get it. Damn, my SPY trade ain't doing good. What'd I just say, though? Silver be busting me out of jail all the time. SPY ain't over, though. All right, so silver's coming in the previous day low. We cannot neglect this. This is PDL. Yo, SPY's starting to turn around. It's trying to. Yeah, we're right at previous day low. Yeah. I was just about to bump my stop down, too.
Order filled.
That just clipped me. That's crazy. All right, I got my I That's crazy.
Order filled.
Damn it. It's not the entry I like. It's not the entry I like. I let that get me because it stopped me out, and I didn't mean it to stop me out. So then I re-entered with an entry I really don't like. Not good. It's all right. Let's see her turn around. It's coming right into PDL, though. If we break PDL, she's going to sink. SPY. About to get it. SPY is trying right now. SPY is back to the AOV. As you can see here, SPY is flagging. It's just that low volume. low volume. Yeah, it's looking ugly. Come on, baby. Yeah, I got caught my pants down on this. All right, so we're watching that. We're also trying this silver play. We're shortening to a key level. I like the 1 hour trend. We could burst through it. It's going to be a challenge. It's going to be a challenge. Let's see. There it goes. There it goes, love. Okay, look at that, guys. Come on. Come on, let's break that. How much do I want to risk? Oh, let's go. Come on, guys. We break this level, she's going to sink. Oh, my God. Yo, guys. Seen this? You see that break? Come on, let's keep breaking. Let's keep breaking her. Keep breaking. Come on, how far can we go? How low can we go? Breaking that level is extremely bearish. Breaking that level is very bearish. SPY's still trying to hold too. Yo, SPY's really starting to turn around. I'm watching SPY on my other chart. Stop above the previous 1 minute candle on silver. Let's dump. Breaking PDL is very bearish. We need a strong push. Oh, yeah, she's going to sink. She's going to sink, dude. Come on. Come on, sugar. Come on, sugar. Yo, SPY. Look at SPY. All right, I'm going to leave my stop on silver. Let's get that push, man. Breaking PDL is very important. Look at the 5 minute. That's bearish, baby. Come on, let's go. 5 minute trend isn't the best. But we broke and closed below PDL, so I have to hold this. I have to. I got to. Huss. Is Big Huss here? My boy Big Huss in here? Yeah, we got to target EOD. Got to. I tell you what. I'm going to be smart about it. Come on. Give me that push. Give me that push. Come on, Suge. Come on, Suge. Come on, Suge. Come on, baby. Y'all better make sure you click them links below. Because HBT over here, man, we got the most phenomenal strategy out. Come on. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me it. Straight shot? Brandon, straight shot? Can we get a straight shot? All right, I don't want to be retarded here. I want to play this right, but I got to go for the straight shot. I have to. I have to. I have to.
Order filled.
Oh, I just got clipped on SPY. Being a retard. All right, stop above the previous 1 minute. Give me my money. Give it to me. Give me it. All right, how do I want to play this? How do I want to play it? Oh, we got a crazy snap on silver. Crazy trend line snap on the 1 hour. Oh, come on, dude. Come on, baby. Come on, Suge. Come on, Suge. Come on, Suge. Ready, guys? Look. Look at this. You see this trend line? Oh, man. Come on, baby. Is it like this or something? All right. Stop above the previous 1 minute. Well, actually, hold on. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, I see that trend line snap, Brandon. What I'm going through right now is I'm trying to figure out how far she can go and how much I really want to risk. So we're respecting the 2-minute 5. I'm going to use that as my stop. The 2-minute 5. If we close above it, I'll get out of the trade. We need continued selling pressure here. Two-minute 5, baby. Watch it. I might scalp off it, honestly. Silver, when she starts to sell, she starts to sell. Yeah, anybody new to this channel, click the link below. I'll send you a free mini course on my strategy. Changed hundreds of lives. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it is a phenomenal way to identify great price action. Held it. It held it, guys. We might have a sinker. We might have a sinker here. I just don't like how fast she's moving, and I don't want to risk a lot. Come on. Come on, China. I know it's China shorting the market. Come on, China. Come on, China. If I put it here, it's the 1 minute. Oh boy, this thing is hurting. Come on. I feel like she just sold off too quick. We're gonna give it. Yeah, it's pressing into that 1 minute 5. Come on, this is her make or break right here. Come on, baby. There's a little pocket on that 5 minute. She's got a hold right here. I'm putting my stop right. Let me see something. Yeah, the 2 minute 5. We'll give it. I'm gonna give it till right there. I'll lock in 3. I'll put it at 300. It's just it's so far away from my 20s. I could always get back in.
Order filled.
Yeah, it clipped me. That was the smart move though. It couldn't hold the 2 minute 5. If it holds the 2 minute 5 here, maybe I get back in. That's still a good trade. Not the easiest to manage. I'll watch the 1 minute 22. Maybe I'll add in. Five-minute trend looks pretty good. If this 2 minute 5 holds, I might try a scalp here. Nah, no way. It's still a good trade though. Yeah, look at that trend line snap. She snapped all right below PDL. That's why it's coming in that key level. Yeah, I got clipped on ES. I risked way too much on ES too. That's all right. That's all right. What time is it? 7:48. All right, let's see if we get another one on silver. Am I up like $40? Because that SPY trade. That's all right. I really try not to even watch my profit. I just try to get in flow state, baby. When I'm in flow state, it's over with. All right, I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. Oh,
Order
one more.
filled.
Let's see if we can get the rest of that. I like the 5-minute trend. That's why I hopped in that. 5-minute trend looks pretty healthy. So I want to see if this will continue here. You see how I do that though? I use the 5-minute to gauge. 5-minute trend's healthy, I'll hop in. I really don't want to risk a lot on this. Oh, yo. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You guys see that? Come on. Yo, open it up. Open it up. She's going far. She's going far. Maybe. It's dicey. It's dicey. Dicey move right here. 290. 250. See how I used the 5-minute to do that? That's a GBI, baby, on the 5-minute. We Oh, you. Come on, go. Bump it. Bump it. Come on. Where we at? Where we at? Come on, Shug. Come on, Shug. Keep going. Keep going. I'm opening her up. She going far, bro. That's a GBI. That's a GBI. Open her up. Scared money don't make no money. Open her up. Who's in this? See how I'm so good at reading the 5-minute trend. I'll literally hop in that. I'll take that all day. I want to play this right. I want to play this right. I don't know how I feel about it. We need continuation, baby. We need continuation. We need continuation. Oh my gosh, look at that, baby. That's beautiful. All right, bump. Yo, delete this damn chart. That thing's killing me. All right, put that. I'm going to put my stop right above that previous 1 minute. See if she can go. Oh, she going. She going, baby. She going. I wish I knew good targets on silver. They're really just confusing me. Todd, that's a igniting bar right there, brother. That's an igniter. That's an Iggy. That's an Iggy. Come on, keep pushing. Oh, there she go. Come on. Come on. Little above that. We'll lock 200 in. No matter what, we'll lock 200 in on this. Oh, she's sinking. Move the stop down, dude. We're making a couple grand tonight. I feel it. Okay, look at the 5-minute. 5-minute trend looks pretty good. She's got potential. She got potential, guys. She does have potential. Oh my God, look at her go. Look at her go. Look at her go. Look at her go, bro. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Don't you dare reverse. Don't you even think about it. 5-minute trend is bearish. Guys, hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Trust me. Trust me here. Trust me here. Don't trust me. 415. Come on. Come on. Come on. That was a good that was a good re-entry right there. If you guys got any questions about that re-entry, hit me up. It's really just spotting healthy 5-minute trend and then just getting just finding a way to get in. Oh, yeah. Stop's going right here at 300. Come on. Oh, there it goes, yo. Come on, baby. Come on. Open her up. Open her up. She's sinking. Who's in this? Who's in this? Ready? You guys see how I got my take profit in my hand, right? I got my take profit in my hand. Put it right above that candle. Let's lock in 335 no matter what. Look at the 5 minute. 5 minute looks good. 5 minute looks good. She's trying. She is trying. We need continuation here. I wish I had my targets mapped right, but I slacked. Yeah, I got a target down here at 7434. So ready? 7434. That's our target. Click the links below. Get involved, HBT. Trade with us every single day. Get 4 sessions with me. $150. Come on, I gotta open it up, man. I'm being degenerate. I just feel like we got. Oh my God! Look, there it goes. There it goes. Get rid of that. Open it up. Do that and drop this. Drop this. We're tight stop here. Tight stop. We're selling off. Put it in.
Order filled.
I'm out. I'm out. Good trade, guys. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Who caught that with me? Who caught that? That was a good one. I need likes. Like the video. Like it. That was a good trade. Even though it's probably going to dump. And I sketched out. If anybody benefited from this, make sure you hit the like button. The biggest thing I want to talk about is how I re-entered. Okay? So we initially got in short here. Caught a nasty move down, right? So we caught two silver plays. We caught this one and this one. Okay, so initially we were just playing off the 20 EMA. We got stomped out on this one, right? Like right here. We locked in 300. Yeah. And then we came up to the 1 minute, and then we bounced off this level, right? And if you guys remember, I entered in this like right here. It was not the best entry. But that's really not important. What's important is why I entered right there. And the reason why I entered right there, and I'll tell you this right now, is because the 5 minute trend was healthy. Okay? This is extremely important. Now, I do not recommend this to beginner traders. As a matter of fact, I don't really listen. Don't do trade my 3-step approach. If you're still struggling with like consistency and like all that, just trade the 3-step approach and lock it in. But if you feel like you're, want to try scalping on futures and you learned to see healthy trends, maybe it's just because of how much time I've put into these damn charts, but I will scalp off the 1 minute 20. But remember, only when the 5 minute trend is healthy. When the 5 minute trend is healthy, yes, I will scalp. And that's what we did on the second trade. Right? The 5 minute trend was healthy, so I entered in short right here, stop, and we had that really nice target to the downside. So that was a really good play. Great job, anybody that took it with me. I know silver could seem a little sketchy at times, but that was a great play. Really good play. I shouldn't have moved my stop loss, but you know what? Sometimes you got to risk it a little bit. You can't care that much. You know what I'm saying? You just can't care that much. I find that the less I really care about the little things, the better. But we're at a key level on silver. What time is it? Oh, 8:02. Let's see if we can get one more trade. Let's reevaluate here. All right, so I got a downside target right here that we just friggin' broke on silver. Dude, we're dumping. Of course. J-Cell took profit? Of course. But this is good learning experience. Look at healthy trend. Healthy. Oh my God. Dude. All right, I'm done. Sometimes it's just best to, when, I don't know. Let's see. What's ES telling us, Todd? Brandon, I'm sick right now. Friggin' sick. Once again, this is why I trade silver though, because you can make retard money. Let's look at the downside target, because I told you guys China's short selling the shite out of this right now. Got friggin' China trying to cripple the economy right now. And they're using silver. It's a key level. If we can't hold 73.72, this thing could easily start to rally up. I think that's a massive liquidity sweep right there. Word. I hope you guys are enjoying this, man. My boy Todd. I know my boy Todd's getting his. Anybody else from HPT here? Yes, it's starting to look a little weak. Coming into EOD. All right, I'll short it. I'll short this. Not yet, but I'm watching ES. Let's see if we can redeem ourselves on ES. We're at a key level. We got the cross. We're retesting. We got 30 seconds left on this candle, baby. Oh, and the 2-minute 20. Damn it. Where's my... Hold up. Okay. Ready? Steady, go.
Order filled.
Yeah, I gotta try it. Gotta try it. Chenny, I think I rushed it. Really? I rushed it, baby. Yeah, that was retarded. What you doing? That was stupid trade. I was trying to get cute, Todd. That's me doing some dumb shit right there. Why do I feel like I'm chasing all the time, Todd? Why do I do that? I feel like sometimes I chase things. It's not a smart move. Stupid move. That's literally all I'm playing off is the 2-minute 20 right now. So it could work. And I almost hope it doesn't. I don't want to reward bad behavior. Let's see. Let's see if China can dump the market. I'm going to tighten the stop up. Stupid. I'm getting hungry. That's what it is. Boy's making excuses over here. Come on, baby. Dump for me. Tight stop. Tight. Keep it tight. Gotta keep it above that guy. Yeah, that was stupid. Stupido. Stupido. El stupido.
Order filled.
Order filled. Being a retard. Exactly. 1 bar. Don't matter. It don't matter. We risk 1 bar, baby. That's it. Order filled. Turn that shit off. All right, Silver. Bail me out. Bail me out, Silver. Yeah, ES just don't got the volume right now. It'll probably keep going down. It's just giving me that vibe because the 1 hour. And honestly, actually, I can't even call it. We're at EOD and it's choppy, so it could literally go anyway. Silver. Trend still looks pretty good. I mean, I feel like I might be able to squeeze something out of it, but part of me just tells me, yeah, that's a massive liquidity grab right there. And we're super far away from the moving averages. So it's 8 o'clock, guys. I'm going to go cook dinner. I love y'all. Thank you for being a part of this tonight. Make sure you check out the links below. Anybody looking to learn the strategy, click the link and I opt in. I give you a completely free mini course. So click the link below. Check it out. Apply. Push yourself. And also, guys, check out the pinned comment for any individual that's actually trying to level up in their life mentally and physically. I'm telling you guys, I just started a free community, fitness community. All right. And it's a mindset community. We're going to be meeting weekly. I want to build a big men's group. Women can come too. But I want it to be more. Actually, we're going to keep it just men. Right. It's going to be a men's group. It's for individuals to push themselves to become that much better. Okay, I need it. Okay, I think we all need it because we're stepping into a new chapter in 2026, and we need this on point because we're about to make a lot of money. We're about to really level up, and we got to make sure our mindset is there. All right, so I love you guys. Have a great night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Chen Ben.